This is a 1980 CB650c. I did all the work myself, converting it into a Café bike. The front fork has been shortened. The tank is not original to the bike. I'm not sure what it came off of, but it's a big, pretty tank. I added the knee dents, did all the body work myself. That rear cowl, I made that. It's steel. The seat pan, it's good and sturdy. I made that as well. The seat cover is custom. Let's see. All of the aluminum, it was polished about, I don't know, about 2-3 years ago. This has been an ongoing project. I don't really ride motorcycles. That's why I'm going to get rid of it. It's just been sitting in the garage. But anyway, carburetors have been rebuilt. The battery is a lithium battery, and it's a really expensive little battery. Chain's new, front sprocket's new. The shock in the back is new. All the electrical has been gone through. Let's see, front brakes rebuilt. There is a 4-in-1 exhaust with a cherry bomb muffler, and I'll show you what that sounds like here in a minute, but it looks really good. Did I say the carburetors have been rebuilt? Because they have been, and there's K&N air filters on there. The wheels have been polished and painted. Originally they were all black, and I think the aluminum polished up really well on them. Looks good, but like I said, again, it could use shining up once more. Let's see, pegs were relocated. Those are new aluminum pegs. Everything pretty much up here is new. They're bar and mirrors, grips, the bars, the clip-on style bars are new. That's new. These are rebuilt by me. Works good. I'm gonna go to the other side and show you the headlight. This is just, I love this headlight. I think it looks perfect for a Café bike. Much better than the one that it came with, that's for sure. But it's got the integrated turn signals. Tires are new, brand new tires. I think they might have 20 miles on them, maybe. Probably not. Let's see. The spark plug wires and boots are all new. It has new coil packs in there underneath the tank. Let's see. I'm trying to think. I'm going to forget a bunch of stuff here. This was originally black, and this is where the handlebars would attach. And I took this down and opened up the holes to accept these LED lights. The LED lights, and I'll use the switch to turn it on. That is the neutral indicator and the high beam indicator, and then the turn signals. Turn signal relay is also new. You can see how that works, and I'll show you in the back. And of course, both of them work just fine. While it's turned on, I guess I will start it. Choke is right here. Sounds pretty good. So I don't know what I'm forgetting. The paint, I did it myself. It's a metallic copper color. It's really pretty. It has not been color sanded. So you may see some imperfections in the paint, but that's only because it hasn't been color sanded. There's just a little bit of orange peel in it. It'll color sand right out and it would be smooth and perfect. I just don't want to do it. There's probably a few new parts that I'm forgetting about here, but that's pretty much it. She rides just fine, and she looks good in my opinion. And there she is.